Hi. We just got this awesome inflatable kayaks. Look at mommy over there. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Do you feel though that if Kayla all of a sudden moves real quick, it's gonna tip over?
No. Kayla was moving all over the place. She did what? It's not gonna do. Turn her. Today, turn around.
I think the wind. No.
Hi.
No?
You're so beautiful. Look at those Goldilocks.
I feel like the wind. Well, never mind. We're going towards.
I know. Well, you gotta fight the wind on this side over here. The island was blocking it before. Hi. Look at this. This looks so cool. Hey, stop. You gotta turn around this way. Unless you want to go, we can go with the wind that way and it'll go around. It'll be easier than fighting it. Huh? Yeah. So they always wants to do the opposite. What's wrong? Oh, you're not gonna tip over, man. This thing's good. Look. Look. It's pretty good. It's not. They people test it and they can get back in it if they fall over. Pretty easy. Good job, Suryan. Look at this, so pretty out here.
And it's not hot.
Daddy, I saw something pop out the water and then went back in.
Yeah, it's probably a turtle. Where is it?
He just dipped in like
He
he
went
saw your kayak.
right here.
There's a lot of greenery in there.
I'm sure they eat a lot of it. I'm going. I'm taking it easy.
Well, I'm not even pedaling.
All right, so we're gonna go in there and do a little metal detecting, cause I just got my my new coil that broke before, so now we're gonna test it out. Right, Kayla? We'll do some metal detecting.
Yeah.
Cool. There's a little island in there. It's crazy, right? There's like a little teepee,
Tiki hut.
wood-made teepee.
Naked and afraid was there.
Naked and afraid. No, I don't think there was anybody naked and afraid in there.
We can pretend that we're alone in there.
We're gonna be stranded. Yeah. It's nice and calm over here. The wind is crazy over there. Come on, paddle.
Look at that bird.
You want me to call?
Better than a normal
Better than what?
kayak.
Than what?
A normal kayak. You can sit back in the waves.
You like it? You're more comfortable?
Hey, you see the waves over there?
Yeah. Well, you gotta stay close. Just stay close to the land, and you'll be good. You can't go through here. The other way's better. There's a little. No, because I don't want to drag it up so much.
Are you still recording?
Yep. Come on, babe. Look how beautiful and clear the water is. You see that? There's no fish though. I don't see no fish.
Daddy said we can go to North Carolina.
Yes.
That this pedal wet you more than the other one?
It's because, I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be a little longer. That's it.
Suryan. Daddy said for Christmas.
You get wet, you're by the water, babe.
Hey, Daddy.
Let's
We
go.
can go to North Carolina or Pennsylvania for Christmas next year.
I did not say Pennsylvania. Kayla's on the Pennsylvania trip.
I mean,
She's always all wrong.
what was it? It was,
This is how people lose their little paddle thing.
Daddy, where was it? It was Tennessee. Is that where snow is? Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pause it here for a second, and then we're gonna record up there a little bit and do some metal detecting. Right, Kayla? You gonna be my helper?
Yeah. I think
Huh?
so.
All right, crazy. So those are our kayaks we docked. They hold up pretty good. They're actually pretty nice for inflatables. They do a good job. So this is a little island in the middle of Okeeheelee Park. I'm sure there's a lot of garbage in here. This is my new coil. It's the smaller coil from Garrett, which I heard is better for this metal detector, but I feel like it's not going to cover a lot of ground, as much ground. So it's okay, I guess. We'll try it out. As you can see, my metal detector's not going crazy like it was before. So it was definitely a bad coil, guys. And let me point it down a little bit. We'll just do a little exploring, not too much. See what we find. We're just gonna do random little thing here, just because my family's over here and I don't want it to take a long time. So I'm sure there's not much in here. Hold on. I saw it before, babe. I know. We saw bones before, I think, right? What are you doing? You exploring? I'm recording, so look at the camera. You guys. You gonna hold my shovel?
Yeah.
Go over there. Here, let me do it for a little bit. Go over there. I'll call you, okay? Alright, no signals here, so quite surprised. Make sure it's working. It's working. Just really surprised there's not as much junk here. Just garbage. Some foil. I really wish they had a volume selection on this, on the unit itself, because you can't turn it up or down. Sometimes it's hard to hear different tones. Oh, I'm really surprised I have not had a garbage signal yet. I mean, except for the one that just happened, but you know, people come over here all the time. I guess they're not polluting as much, which is good. Excuse me. Dirty signal. Let's put on iron discrimination so we can weed out these bad signals. Oh, 80. Got a solid 80. You'll see no iron in it. So, possibly a coin. It's deep. So we got right here. Nice soft sand. And where'd you go? Not sure what happened here. I had it somewhere. There we go. There's probably a penny somewhere here. Okay. That's odd. Oh, there's one right here somewhere. dime. And it's pretty worn. There. So we got a dime. It's pretty worn. We'll clean it up later and see what year it is. Found something. Alright, so I'll come back. Alright, so we got a 45 signal here. We're just gonna dig it up for the heck of it because there's not a lot of signals here, so. What's that? Why?
I think it went into battery mode. So it was dying.
Alright, we moved it, whatever it was.
It died. Yeah?
Found some fishing gear. Fishing stuff.
What'd you find, Daddy?
This is for fishing.
Cool. Someone went fishing.
Somebody lost it over here.
I like this. It looks like a cool.
Yep. So we got a 55 signal here, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a pop top. I should have brought my my gloves and my small shovel, but yep, pop top. I mean a pull tab. There you go. You gotta dig this stuff, man, because you never know. But we'll come back again and see if there's anything. My family's over there exploring and trying to build something. I just dug up a nickel, which I thought was a another pull tab, but that one got me. That was pretty deep. It was in there. It's been there a while. Can't make out a date at all. Yeah, it's pretty worn. I can't make out a date. But finding some stuff, and it was pretty deep. Alright guys, we'll get back again. So in the same hole where I just dug up the nickel, still getting another 53 signal, which is 8 inches. So I think there's another nickel in there. It might be a little point spill. Yeah, the signal's all over the place now. So yeah, let's keep digging in there and see what happens. I closed it up. I should have not did that. Alright, let's see. Definitely something else in there. Hey, another nickel. There might be another one in there. I'm gonna run it again. So another nickel. Yeah. 53 signal, so that's another nickel, and it's over here somewhere. There it is, another nickel. So 3 nickels out of this hole. Nothing special. Wish it would have been. see if there's anything else in there. Oh man, there's another one in there. Another nickel. Another nickel. All right. This one's up top here somewhere. Four nickels. Wow, wow. It's pretty cool. Who knows how long they've been there. Can't make out a date. 1983, so it's been there a while, pretty sure. And let's see if there's any more. I think we got them all. Alright, I think we got them all. Oh, that's pretty good. It's not going to be pretty here because, as you can see, this is nature taking its course. So, let's see if we have anything else around here. Now, this new coil, I feel like if I bump something, it does give me a faint signal. Which I don't, I mean, the other one did it too, but I don't know. Maybe, got a 67. So this is a nice, maybe a penny. But it could also be something interesting. 6970 signal, alright. So most likely a penny. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see. Birds are laughing at me over there. You hear them? I was off on my dig here. I moved it. Oh, no. We have a fishing sinker. That's pretty good. I like it. It's better than nothing. Got some lead. Putting a good tackle together. Alright, good job. Let's see here. Anything else? Nothing else. Alright guys, we'll get back. Here we have two signals. We got a 60 something over here, 53, so that looks like another nickel. And then over here, nice strong signal, 64, 68, 75, and no iron. Very clean signal. So we have some more coins over here. I did get a little iron hit over here. But it's clean. 75. So I think we have a coin spill here. And it's not very deep, so let's see. Yeah, it's right on top here. Birds always laughing at me. Yeah, I hear you. A penny, like I said, is a penny. I think there's another one here somewhere. I feel like there's more. I know I had a weird signal, but it hasn't been here long. So that hasn't been there long. I think there's something else there. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think there's a nickel on this side. There's a nickel on this side. just heard it. There we go. Got another nickel. I'm sure it's not old. So I was right. That was a nickel and a penny. There was two things here. Alright guys. What? I'm finding a bunch of change. What you guys doing? Still exploring? What you got? Some spider webs in your face? Kayla, look, I need you to find this nickel here. There's a nickel here. Here, no, don't use that. It's right on top of here. Here. Hold on. Right over there. Look for it. Oh, I hear it. Move it slowly. You looking at it? It's in there. Right there somewhere. Keep digging. It's right there. Alright, you see it? No, I see it. Come on. I see it, Kayla. Let me see.
A nickel?
Yeah, I found a bunch of nickels though.
But they're not old, right?
No. When they're on top like that, they're not old. I know, but at least it's not a lot of trash.
You don't know?
Alright, like 10 more minutes and we're gone. Okay, let me see, Kayla. Let me see if there's another one.
Daddy, we're making a tiki hut and I wanted you to come.
Okay, I'll look at it in a second. Let me finish.
Yet.
I'm making a video, so you guys are in the video right now.
Okay.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Hi. Oh,
No, that wasn't it. I think we got them all.
next place.
I found 4 nickels in one hole. I wish it would have been something good. Alright, I'm going to turn it off and we'll try to find something else. So here, what do we have? We got a 7980 signal, which I believe is going to be a dime. And it's about 6 inches deep, 4 inches, and my daughter Kayla is going to try to dig it. Right here, Kayla, look. Kayla, right here. You messing with her? Look, right here, Kayla, right here.
Like that?
Yeah, you gotta move all the stuff first because there's a lot of. And then here, hold on here. Let me see. It might be not that deep down. Ah, I hear it. All right, now move it with your hands. You gotta dig it in there like this. I don't think so. I think it's there somewhere. Move over here. You got it?
Can I do it?
Oh, what is that?
It's a penny.
No, that's a dime.
Oh.
Told you it was a dime. It looks like it's been there. I think it's been there for a while.
You call me Suye though.
No, I said.
You guys are, we're on. I don't know how old it is because I can't tell.
Oh, let me see. Ew.
I can't see it.
It's from the 1980s.
It's pretty worn, so that's been there for a little while. I'm pretty sure it's not that long because it wasn't that deep.
Daddy, your GoPro's metal.
Metal? Yeah, it has some metal on it. My daughter's Ariel. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
She's gonna dig this 68 signal. It's probably gonna be a penny, I think. Hold on, move the shovel so I can find it first. What is it? A what? What? Okay, be careful. Did it touch you? Man, you gotta be careful, man. Where is it? Go over there. Oh, that's a big snake. Go over there. Go over that way. I see it. Look, it's right there.
I don't see it. Where is it? Point at it.
Look. You see it right there? Oh, my kids almost got bit by a snake. Penny, really crusted penny. Alright guys, we're going to call it a wrap because the family is ready to go. So we'll be back when we're loading up. Look, the wind is going to help you. Just go follow mommy. Come Come on, the other side down. The other side. Such a nice windy day. It's actually pretty beautiful. It's just windy. Good job, baby. Come on. Do this side a little bit. Do this side. There you go. A little more. Nice. Two more on this side. Two more on this side. Come on. Do one more. One more. You gotta hit it hard, babe. See how you're going that way now? You gotta keep doing this side. Look, you're going in a circle. Keep on this side. Keep going on this side. There you go. Push harder. There you go. What is that? The big bird over there? Is that the big bird? Look at him. He's hanging out. You see him?
No.
Look. The crane over there. You see him? You see him over there?
Daddy, can you move the metal detectors?
I'm gonna row, okay? I'm gonna row. I'm gonna catch up to mommy, baby. Just relax. I know, but we gotta go.
Daddy, after we catch up with Mommy, can I go?
Okay.
Mommy, can you call Tanya and tell her what happened? What?
Go ahead. You're good right there. Roll. Go that way. Yeah.
What's that? I almost smacked them.
See it blinking? You like the kayaks?
It's my turn to hold the camera.
Why?
Like it records you.
I'm not worried about it.
Yeah,
People see my face a billion times already. You like the kayaks?
Daddy, I'm not moving.
We're gonna take them somewhere else. Where we're gonna go to use them somewhere? We gotta use them in other places. We can explore a canal, another canal somewhere. Huh? I don't know. We can take it somewhere else.
Daddy,
Yeah.
like a banana.
Yeah. You look like a banana. Yeah. Banana adventures. This is a race to the finish. Ah! You guys are gonna be wet. Come on, Kayla. Kayla, come on, we're losing. Oh man. No, don't bump into it. Slow them down, Kayla. Grab them. Hey, whoever touches the dock first wins. Nah, you missed it. Ah, we won. We won. Alright, so this is just a quick wrap up of the hunt today. As you can see, it was just very short, maybe like 20-30 minutes. And the result was 5 nickels, 2 dimes, 2 pennies, a sinker, 2 pull tabs, and some fishing gear. So, if anybody can tell me how to get these things really clean, that'd be great, because I have a jar full of dirty coins, which I would like to clean up and just see what the dates are and stuff. But I don't have anything special, so I'm not worried about killing value or anything like that. Just regular clad. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like it, and we'll keep making some more. Had to cut it short only because I had the family and stuff, but it seems like a decent spot to hit since there's not a lot of trash there. There was a big snake, which I believe was either a corn snake or rat snake, something like that. I don't know if it was a coral snake, because I know the coral snakes are pretty deadly, but had a little scare there where I almost got bit. My wife and my child, but everybody's fine. It was fun. The kayaks did awesome. They're pretty good, and we're all happy with everything. The metal detector is working great, and as you can see, the new coil is working good. So thank goodness it wasn't the metal detector, it was just a coil. So I'll be getting rid of the old coil for parts on eBay, or if anybody's interested and they know how to fix it, let me know. But they look like they're pretty difficult to open up to fix. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and God bless, and have a Merry Christmas.